front of you, here is Greenhouse 1, showing the concept seasonal plants. The greenhouse is set at the appropriate temperatures for foreign plants. And this greenhouse exhibits magnolia growing up to 5 meters, as well as azaleas, camellias, rosemary, and maple trees, and other plants in an array of beautiful environments. During winters, visitors can see the wide variety of tulips, and the exhibitions here allow visitors to touch and study different types of flowers closely.